If you've ever thought about living on Graystone Lane, rest assured you're not alone. This quaint hilltop home offers amazing views of the Almaden Valley and the feeling of country living far from the hectic pace of the city. With close proximity to plenty of shopping, it only feels like you're far from the city, but everything you need is within close reach. If your family likes outdoor activities, you're going to love the Los Alamitos Creek Trail, as well as many other nearby parks and trails. The prestige of this sought-after location, coupled with the peace and solitude it offers, is simply unmatched. Welcome to your new home, located at 19500 Graystone Lane. As you encounter this lovely home for the first time, you're greeted by a living room that provides a private conversation area that is ideal for your gatherings with family and friends. Preparing meals for your family's gatherings will be an enjoyable task in your chef's kitchen. Complete with granite counters and brand new stainless steel appliances, your culinary skills are sure to be delighted. As you walk into the family room, you will immediately notice the abundance of natural light as it floods into the room through the large east-facing windows. Views of the hillside are sure to captivate your attention for years to come in this beautiful home. Overlooking the backyard pool as well as views of the Almaden Valley, the upstairs loft is a great place for a home office or small game room. Offering views of the north side of Almaden Valley, your mind and body are sure to be nourished by the zen space your master bedroom and bath provides. It truly is a wonderful retreat after a long day. As the warm summer days quickly approach, your backyard pool will be a wonderful oasis for your family's enjoyment. With so much to offer, 19500 Graystone Lane won't last long. Now is the time for you to make the move to Graystone Lane.